BorgWarner is a tier one automotive supplier, so we supply directly to OEMs like Ford, GM, Stellantis. We are located in Americas, Europe, and Asia. So I think one of the major challenges is just the nature of the automotive industry. Things change very, very quickly and we have to adapt. We're a very large company and we have a level of synergy that's required to try and get everyone on the same page in order to achieve the results that we want. I'm an HR business partner here. I support about a third of the employees, and that's a mix of some of our shop floor employees and some salaried employees as well.
I'm the continuous improvement technician. I'm in charge of making the trainings, actually getting my hands dirty in eduMe and doing all of it. Not only the training, but things on the shop floor, talking to people, making sure that we can improve our standard work through the plant.
It was pretty paper-based. That gets lost easily or not updated very often. A little bit kind of old school. Somebody stands there and shows you how to do something in person. Knowledge can be lost or mistranslated.
Yeah, there was a lot of variation and controlled variation. So somebody could say one thing and then somebody says another, and then somebody does it their own way, and then it was all over the place. We're sending out trainings for various things. The biggest thing is safety. We're doing trainings for our JSAs, which are safety-based. Our goal is to create standard work at the line. They can use eduMe to train on the machine itself. There's informational stuff that we send out to that isn't mandatory. It gives them an avenue to know what's going on. It's going up all the way to the top, all the way to the bottom. It'll be people on the manufacturing floor and then in the offices.
The easiest way to get people in is through Workday. We'll have people log into Workday and it just takes them directly to eduMe. We use Workday for so many different things. It's our bread and butter. We have it linked to almost any system you can think of.
We have QR codes at all of our punch-in stations, like our clock-ins, so that all our trainings are there. They have 5-10 minutes, just hit the QR code, do your training right there. So we did a JSA for molding. Molding was a big hitter for safety. People were getting injured, didn't know what was going on. So we ended up doing the JSA in eduMe for them. And once we implemented it, safety incidences started to decline. They started to realize what needed to be done by not only seeing what had to be done, but reading it and understanding it. The questions to make sure they're paying attention. So we did see a drastic improvement upon that.
We try to make things very custom to our site, our equipment, our people. eduMe makes it very easy to do that. Having photos or videos of our specific machines or people that work here, it just makes it more personable.
I would say the AI. It does a lot of the work for you. You don't have to spend all the time typing it all in, getting it all together, copy and pasting. Within an hour, you can create perfect training. Everybody learns differently. One person can learn by listening, another person can read it, another person needs visuals. We all learn differently. And to have all that in one platform is huge, because now you can teach every single person the way they need to be taught.
It makes learning accessible rather than making somebody sit through a 30-minute training on the floor where it's hard to hear. eduMe makes it really easy for us to deliver content quickly, accurately, and efficiently, which was a huge challenge before.